Ever since I joined the law firm of Brent Clary right out of law school, I have been involved in litigation and trial work. I had my first jury trial shortly after I got out of law school, and I've done them ever since. Not only have I had the vast majority of my cases here in Tippecanoe County, I've had trials in over 20 other Indiana counties and trials in other states as well. Does the experience pay off? I think it does. Juries are all different, counties are all different, people are all different. The more instances you have, the more opportunities you have to present cases, the more prepared you are the next time a case comes down the road.
Brent, I was injured. Do I have a case?
After a person is injured or been involved in a collision, it's important to find out whether a case even exists. As you've heard me say before, you may have a case and you may not. What does an attorney have to look at? Well, the first issue is the issue of fault. If someone else is at fault, you certainly have a chance to have a case.
My injury was the result of a collision. Does that make a difference?
Those are the kinds of things that the attorney has to prove. Sounds simple enough. What were the damages? How was a person's life affected? Everything from lost income, to medical bills, to pain and suffering, to disability, and to many other factors apply.
Brent, do you handle the case entirely by yourself?
Having a team to assist me in all these cases is helpful for so many reasons. You would think that the issue of damages, for example, is always crystal clear. Hardly the case. And different points of view, when expressed in a meaningful way, can be so helpful to us in helping a client determine the strengths and weaknesses of their case. And the team approach is what gives us that opportunity.
Are all the cases determined in court?
Well, they certainly are. If you're going to win a case, you're going to do it in court. But many cases are resolved out of court and settled before you ever get to court. How do you do that? Well, you have to have a strong foundation before you can ever resolve a case out of court. And that's where people such as Dawn and Pam become so very important. They help us put together the information we need. Any attorney that's going to represent someone who's been involved in a collision has to know that client.
Is being a lawyer just about going to court?
I love my profession. Obviously, it's fun to present cases in court. It's fun to talk to juries. It's fun to make presentations to witnesses in the witness stand. I treasure every single day that I have when I can sit and talk to people and learn who they are and why they are as they are.
Brent, who pays once a verdict is determined?
During a trial, we are never allowed to mention insurance companies or insurance carriers. However, ladies and gentlemen, insurance companies pay the vast majority of all verdicts that are returned.
I think I may have a case. What should I do next?
You may have a case and you may not, but you should know your rights. Contact us. Meet our team. We'll discuss your situation.